Welcome to Smooth Ever After, where the magic of beautiful skin begins. With Smooth Ever After, say goodbye to dryness and hello to radiance. See the difference with Body Magic Formula. It's not just a product, it's a lifestyle. Simply spray the moisturizer on your palms and massage your hands, arms, legs, and/or feet. For silky smooth skin, try Body Magic Formula. It's perfect for any area of your body, from head to toe. Being an ancient combination of ingredients used in Egypt to treat dry skin, it's the perfect remedy. Experience the all-natural ingredients and antibacterial effects. Say hello to healthy, glowing skin with Smooth Ever After. This game-changing product is amazing for overly dry skin, eczema, itchy, or irritated skin. It's also very effective to minimize stretch marks caused by pregnancy if used during the first pregnancy at least 3 times a day. Not to mention, it's extremely effective to prevent ingrown hair caused by hair removal by waxing or shaving, not to forget the benefit of calming the skin redness and irritation caused by those methods despite the momentarily sting feeling when first applied because of the lemon juice effects. Start your journey with Smooth Ever After. Get your baby skin back.